Hello class 4 children. Yesterday we did first chapter from your grammar book, that was alphabetical order, and I hope that you all must have done the work in your grammar copy. Now we proceed to your second chapter, sentence, and I am sure you all must have studied this in your earlier classes, class 2, class 3. Now let us recall what is a sentence. Sentence is a group of words which makes a complete sense. So, what is a sentence? Sentence is a group of words which makes a complete sentence. Let's take an example. Now look at this sentence. A dog have I pet. Does it make sentence? No. So, as I told you, sentence is group of words which makes complete sense. So this sentence will not make a sense. So let's arrange them. I have a pet dog. Now this make a sense. This is is it complete sentence? Something is missing here. You know what? Full stop. Now it is a complete sentence, and the sentence begins with a capital letter and ends with a dot, and sometimes also a sentence ends with a question mark and exclamation marks. We will do few more examples. Let's see. Now let's see the second example. Dr. Mai is father. So does it make any sense? No. And this is not a proper correct sentence. So let's make it in a proper sensible sentence. What it will be? My father is a doctor. And then what should I do? Full stop, a dot. This is called full stop, and then a sentence begins with, again I am telling you, begins with capital letter and ends with full stop or question mark or exclamation mark. Now let's write a sentence with question mark. Name your is what? So this is not a correct sentence. What will be the correct sentence? What is your name? And when we ask what, asking, we put a question marks, right? One more with question mark. If I say, where are you going? So I am asking, where are you going? So I'll put question mark. These are all the revisions which you have already done in class 3, class 2. Now let's see a few examples with exclamation mark. How beautiful is the rose? So it is not that I'm asking how beautiful. I'm expressing my feelings. So how beautiful is the rose? I put here exclamation mark. Now, what a beautiful piece of jewelry! Exclamation mark. Alas, we lost the match. So these sentences that you see express strong or sudden feelings, and these are called exclamatory sentences or exclamation marks. These are called exclamation marks. Now let's read from your book. Read the following groups of words. I am Naveen. Jeet is my brother. The book is on the table. So all these groups of words make complete sense and are called sentence. A group of words that makes complete sense is called a sentence. Now let's see. A sentence begins with a capital letter. It makes complete sense. It ends with a full stop. That's a dot. Can you see now? A question mark here, or an exclamation mark. here. Now let's read this sentence. To garden the went I. Number 2 sentence, in the garden. The group of words in example 1 does not make sense. But if we arrange them, like I went to the garden, then it makes a sense. Now, the group of words in example 2, in the garden, makes sense but not complete sense. So, these group of words are not sentences since they do not make complete sense. Now, look here. Put a tick against the group of words that are sentences and put a cross against those that are not. So, you will read all these sentences from 1 to 8 in the drawing room. Is it a complete sentence or not? To give to me gave the book. Is it right or wrong? Put accordingly, follow the instruction and do from 1 to 8, page number 6 in your book. Now, page number 7, read this group of words that does not make sense. Example, season favorite my is summer. But when we write this group of words in another order, it makes sense. Summer is my favorite season. Example 2. School are closed remains summer in. Our school remains closed in summer. So look at the sentence. It is beginning with capital letter, ending with a full stop. Now what you will do is, this page number 7b, rewrite the following groups of words as sentence. Begin each sentence with a capital letter and put a full stop at the end of the sentence. So now you know the rules of the sentence, how to write. So you are going to do from 1 to 8 in the book itself. B. Okay. Again, we can add words to the group of words that makes incomplete sense and turn them into sentences. First, in the garden. Now, as we read earlier in page 6, in the garden makes an incomplete, there's no sense to this sentence. Okay, now we have to complete this. Incomplete sentence, we have to complete. So, in the garden is incomplete sentence. So, we will use this in a sentence. The boys are playing in the garden. Okay, now it is a complete sentence. On the wall. The clock is on the wall. So your assignment will be page 6 and then page 7, page 7b, which you will do in your book itself. Thank you, children.